Will I cry? Will I leave behind broken and crumbled signs, hiding all my roads to you? Uh-oh. And if I fight, will I come?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. In today's video, I am going to be cleaning our main living area, so the living room, the kitchen, and the dining room. This was one rainy afternoon after work, so I thought it would be the perfect time to go ahead and get all of the main living areas cleaned. So I'm just going to start by tidying up the living room.
And I've been calling on my ghosts. I put it to rest because I'm coming home, coming home.
Moving on into the kitchen, there were a million dishes, and I feel like you guys see me do the dishes all the time, so I put this in super fast mode for you guys, but I'm just loading what I can and then I'll hand wash anything that's left.
Because I'm coming home, coming home. I am done. I will stay to find every hidden sign, taking all my roads to you. Uh-oh. And I will fight. I will come to life, calling for all your lights, giving my light back to you.
Now that all the dishes are done, I wanted to give these a few minutes to air dry. That way I didn't have so much drying to do, so I gave those a few minutes while I cleaned the rest of the kitchen, just got everything put away and wiped down.
I put it to rest because I'm coming home, coming home. Oh, and I've been carried, I've been dragged, and I've been lucky, torn inside. I put it to rest because I'm coming home, coming home. I'm coming home. And I've been falling, I've been lost, and I've been calling on my ghosts. I put it to rest because I'm coming home, coming home.
Now that the rest of the kitchen is clean, I grabbed a fresh towel and hand dried these few dishes and went ahead and put those away so that I could wipe off that little bit of counter that was left.
Never up, never down, never. Like a theme in a song, clever. Feeling high, feeling low at the same time. Feels so right, then I'm wrong, hoping I'll be fine. But I get up, I always do. I never think, I always do. Never thought I wouldn't jump, oh what a fool. But if I fall, I will get up again. I will get up again.
There was so much mail that I had neglected and just it had gotten stacked up, but I didn't want to go through it right then, so I just put it all in a stack and decided I would go through it later tonight. And then everything else I just put where it belonged, and then I grabbed an e-cloth and wiped down the table.
I can see everything clearer. Trying to fly 'cause I'm light as a feather. But I get high, I get low at the same time. Feels so right, then I'm wrong, hoping I'll be fine. But I get up, I always do. I never
Now that everything else is picked up and put away, I'm just going to go ahead and vacuum the floors in the living room, dining room, and kitchen. We are trying to grow some grass right now, so most of our yard is dirt. So we track a lot of dirt in the house, so I wanted to go ahead and vacuum everything.
No, I don't care, 'cause I am on my way up, and I won't stop, I won't slow down. Steady on my feet, I'm gonna rise up. No, I won't stop, it is my time. 'Cause I know what it's like to be broke. I know what it's like when nothing goes your way. So I'm gonna let myself enjoy the fruit from this lucky day. Yeah, I am on my way up, I won't slow down. Yeah, I am on my way up, I won't slow down. I'm strolling down the street with all of my favorite songs on repeat. I'm dancing through. Everything's about to come my way, and I don't care if you spill coffee on me or if the sky is gray or blue. No, I don't care, 'cause I am on my way up, and I won't stop, I won't slow down. Steady on my feet, I'm gonna rise up. No, I won't stop, it is my time. I know what it's like to be broke, yeah. I know what it's like when nothing goes your way. So I'm gonna let myself enjoy the fruit from this lucky day. Yeah, I am on my way up, I won't slow down. Yeah, I am on my way up, I won't slow down.
Now that all of the hard floors are vacuumed, I switched out the attachment and went ahead and vacuumed off the couch and the rug. I love vacuuming these couches simply for the vacuum lines. We don't have any carpet in the house other than area rugs. So I love seeing those vacuum lines on the couch. They're just so satisfying to me, and I feel like it makes it feel so much cleaner.
I won't slow down, 'cause I am on my way up. I won't slow down. Yeah, I am on my way up. I won't slow down.
The last thing I wanted to get done was fold 2 loads of laundry. So I had a load of towels and then a load of regular clothes that I wanted to go ahead and get folded and put away.
You as you drive, do you know I'm looking, and I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along, and I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever?
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope it motivated you to get something done in your house. If it did, and if you enjoyed it, please give this video a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please hit that little red subscribe button. I would love to have you join this amazing little family we have here on YouTube. And I will see you all in my next one. Bye.
Did you ever stop and think, why spend too much time just getting ready?